Hey, Attorney Dolan, is there any advice you can give these attorneys in law school that will be graduating?
Yes, there's some very good advice I would give every person graduating from law school, because this is not what they teach you in law school. In law school, they teach you this is the law, this is the case precedent, and the judges are going to have to follow the case precedent in the law. And if he doesn't, you get to go to an appeal, and the appeals court says you should have won, and they overturn the judge's decision. What people should understand when they come out of law school, and what they should teach in law school, and they should have taught me this, that you may be in a system that is so infested with crooked judges that you'll have a great case. All the precedents will be on your side. The law will be on your side. And you'll get a judge that completely ignores all of it and screws you and your client. And you should be taught, go ahead, give it a shot on an appeal. It could get overturned. But know this, that the system, at least in Massachusetts, is so infested with crooked judges that your appeal is going to get assigned to 3 crooked judges, and they're going to uphold the decision. So if there is bribery and this corruption going on, you're not going to know about it because it's all being done in the background. Judges are being assigned to your case, and you don't know if they're honest or dishonest until they screw you. And what I would teach kids coming out of law school is go ahead and give it a shot. But as soon as you realize that your case is fixed, give it up. Give it up. Take the next case. Tell your client, sorry, you got screwed by a crooked system, but there's nothing you can do. Unless you want to be like me and ruin your career, have the Board of Bar Overseers take your license away, and have to go to the Supreme Court of the United States with your case. Unless you're ready to do all that and possibly go to jail like I did for trying to expose the corruption, unless you're willing to throw your life away, get on with it. Accept the corruption and then maybe use it to your advantage. Maybe you work in the system for a while and then you get to know the clerks who are taking bribes and fixing the cases with the judges. Maybe you'll be able to get to do that. You can say to your client, I can make this go away if you give me 10 grand. We'll give it to the judge and he'll throw it out. That's what's going on. Right. It's so prevalent that people are like jaded. They're like, yeah, they're all fixed. They're all crooked judges. But I don't think they really believe that. But if they knew what was happening, they would say, my God, look at it. Look at the corruption going on here. Even I didn't believe it until this happened to me. But let it go. Unless you're prepared to throw your life away, when your judge fixes the case, don't fight it. Let it go. And a lawyer who is one of my best friends, I'll throw his name out. His name is Charles Donato. He was a good lawyer for 30 years, a personal injury lawyer. And he told me 8 years ago, let it go. Don't fight it. I should have taken his advice. Who knows? Maybe I'd be a successful lawyer right now. Just work within the system. Work the system. Take advantage of a crooked judge if you know they're crooked. But don't fight it, because you're going to end up like me. And I've read stories about other people like you. You've written books. Has that changed anything for you? Other than letting people know, is your case still been fixed?
Oh, it's fixed from the day I walked in the state courtroom. Then it was fixed when I walked into the federal. I really didn't walk into the federal, but it was fixed anyway.
Yeah. And there's nothing you can do.
No.
Yeah.
Thank you.